Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see which are the best download managers, the top alternatives of IDM for free. The first option is free download manager. First, after opening it, it is also the free download manager you want to have as an alternative of IDM. So you can use by opening it and click on the plus button here, here paste your URL and then click on OK. The YouTube downloads are not available in this one, but so you can download any other browser or from any other website videos or whatever you want to download from here, and it gives you a decent speed into. Another option is Ninja Download Manager. It also free to download. You can have a paid version of it too if you want to, but it is basically free. First, you need to go to this plus icon and you have to paste your link here. You can add multiple downloads also. You have to make sure that where it is downloading, you can see the location of the downloaded files here. If you want to change it, you can change it from here also. And you can click on add and it will start download. And you can see it has a good decent speed and it has downloaded it right now. Here is the third option, which is JDownloaded 2, which you can use as a download manager. You have to go to link grabber and you have to go to this add new links option. Here you can add the same thing. You can also get the same option of where do you want to download that file or whatever you are downloading, and you have to press on continue. After pressing continue, it is searching for the download. As you can see, it has downloaded it too. So these are some alternatives of IDM which you can use to download. If you find this video useful, then please make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.